Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this Lotus 7 replica, listed as a 1997 J1 for $8,000 US in Parkland, Florida. It has been driven 4,500 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1997 J1 Roadster Lotus 7, prototype vehicle built in the mid-90s by two retired GM engineers, the only one produced. Car has a California SB100 issued in 2005 and a California issued VIN plate. Also has a clear Florida title, powered by a 2-liter Pinto engine, 4-speed manual, custom built chassis and body, hand built. This is one of a kind. And up next is this factory built Bradley GT kit car, listed for $8,550 US in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's been driven 14,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, built on a 1974 VW Beetle chassis, 1600cc dual-port engine, 4-speed manual transmission, engine, chassis, brakes, and suspension are all in like new condition. Car runs and drives, asking $8,550 or reasonable offer. Note, this car was built by Bradley at their factory, not in someone's backyard. Okay, here we have a 1976 Manx SR, listed for $9,000 US in Shelbyville, Delaware. It is a manual transmission, a clean title, and from the seller's description, 1976 Volkswagen Manx SR, driven 10,000 miles, new tires, new custom upholstered seats, comes with a cover and tow bar. Alright, up next we have this 1929 Ford Roadster pickup, listed for $15,500 US in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1929 Ford Roadster pickup, glass body, new 357 Chevy motor, power glide transmission, 9-inch Ford rear end, South Carolina title, no trades. Alright, this one, I believe the seller is just hoping to get rid of it. He actually includes a couple of Find the Truck pictures. Here we have a 1969 Mini18 Truck listed for $16,000 US in Coralville, Indiana. And actually on that $16,000, give us a moment to get to the description. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, here we go. If someone gives me $7,000 for it, I'll sell it to them. It belonged to my father, and I've kept up with maintenance on it, but now I need it gone as I don't have the time to keep maintaining it. And here we have a 1929 Mercedes-Benz Gazelle listed for $4,500 US in Alberta, Alabama. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1929 Mercedes Gazelle built in 1989, V6 Mercury Capri motor. The car was running 2 years ago, but now just spins over. Installed a new carb, coil, electric module, and pickup and distributor. Still no fire. Will trade for a Harley or cash is good. May consider something else. Alright, not the best pictures here, but I'm sure many of us remember these. Here we have a 1971 Laser Porsche 917 listed for $12,500 US in Manassas, Virginia. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, Porsche 917 replica called a Laser 917, needs finishing, has a VW drivetrain, has a nice large full-size body, not your typical kit car. Alright, I believe I listed one similar to this in the past. Here we have a 2021 Chevrolet DF Goblin kit car listed for $20,000 US in Howell, New Jersey. It's been driven 132,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, 2021 build DF Goblin kit car. Donor was a 2007 Chevy Cobalt LS 2.2 manual, which was then supercharged. Price is firm, open-ended DF chassis, F23 5-speed trans with upgraded DF shifter, Corbeau racing seats and 5-point harness. No leaks, no issues, turnkey and ready for summer. Will help with transfer and registration. And here we have a 1984 Auburn Speedster Leather, listed for $43,500 US in Ormond Beach, Florida. It's been driven 6,600 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, factory-built Auburn reproduction, built by Elegant Motors, Buick 455 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, power steering and brakes, great driving car. Alright, now I realize the fit and finish doesn't look quite right on this, but if you notice, the seller does mention that the body panels do need to be mounted better. Here we have a 1985 Ford GT listed for $6,000 US in Lancaster, Ohio. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Pontiac Pharaoh with Ford GT body kit, has supercharged 3800 Buick motor swap, low miles on Buick motor, needs brake work to be done, and body panels need mounted better, mocked up for photos, has new wiring harness and new custom CV axles, would trade for a daily driver or a mini excavator or a food truck / trailer. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.